How is the weather today? Today, the weather is sunny and warm. The sky is clear, and there is a little wind. I feel very happy because it's a perfect day to go outside. Many people go for a walk or play sports. I like this weather because it makes me feel fresh and full of energy.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
What is the sky like?
The sky is clear.
Is there any wind?
Yes, a little wind.
How do you feel about the weather?
I feel very happy.
What do people usually do in this weather?
They go for a walk or play sports.
Why do you like this weather?
Because it makes me feel fresh.
How does this weather make you feel?
Full of energy.